Yo, this is a short one.
Did we change clothes?
We just came from Oklahoma City. We didn't. But now that he pointed that out, we'll make it awkward.
No, we're cutting this.
No, we're not cutting
Yes,
it.
we are.
RV, Stevie the RV. Of course, we're on Route 66. Of course, we have to make a pit stop at an attraction destination. And where were we today? We are at Pops with a 63-foot tall soda pop. Right out of Oklahoma City in Arcadia. Pop, pop.
Stop.
Dirty pop. We love dirty pop. $63-foot tall soda pop at night. Apparently this thing pops. The LED. Oh, really?
Soda pop? What do you call it?
Soda,
Yeah, a lot of people
pop,
call it soda,
Coke.
pop, or Coke. I feel like those are the three mains. Even if it's a Pepsi, it's a Coke.
It's also a gas station here. Don't drink that though. Look at that. Already through the windows you're greeted with thousands of bottles, flavors of soda. We got Jones, I can see. Pretty neat. There we go. Cyrus Avery, father of the modern world, Route 66. Sodas on sodas. Right. Look, it's got a little classic diner too. This is cool. Oh, there's Arcadia, that's where we're at. Thanks. Birch beer. Jolt, red eye. $1 million. That tastes like. Brett found his flavor pop.
Soda. Disgusting. No, this is Charlene's. For all you,
Pimple pop.
what is it, Pimple Popper?
Yeah. What's the actual flavor though? We just learned this.
Marshmallow soda. Which I would be totally down to.
Look at this barf. What's the barf flavor? Pure cane sugar.
No, it's made of cane sugar. Great chunky flavor. It doesn't say.
So now you have to get it and try
It
it.
doesn't say.
Listen, I came for this guy. Bubblegum. So I'm obsessed with bubblegum flavored stuff.
She doesn't like it.
And just look at this dog drool. Unicorn Yack. Which is raspberry, orange, cream. Jingle juice. What does that taste like? Punch. Boring. Butterscotch candy. This is cool. Dinosaur dung. Okay, I've got to see what flavor that is. Chocolate soda. Barf, I showed you. Dragon Drool. What's that flavor? I can't see it. Oh, black licorice. There's black licorice. Dirt soda with butter soda.
I think I want the marshmallow. It's like some juice.
Oh, alien snot.
Kiwi and blue raspberry.
Kiwi and blue raspberry. Pops. We got 2 bubble gums. That's my favorite. Brett ended up getting the Pimple Popper banana. The Pimple Popper. Apparently it tastes like marshmallow. And then my mom's coming for my birthday. We got our caramel and what's the last one? Oh, just a cherry cream. Route 66.
Any final words?
No.
On to
Branson.
let's go see Dolly. Dolly Stampede tonight for dinner.